feels really great to be here today at this glorious event with Adinath. Thank you, Ashok ji, for having us here for the launch of Society magazine. It is special for us because we have a long association with the brand. They have covered my house or houses, and I'm very fond of entire Stardust team as well. And today, looking at their new branch and branching them out so glamorously makes me feel really nice. I want to congratulate the entire team of Society Interiors and thank you for this beautiful, beautiful event. It's such a pleasure and honor to be here for the launch of Society cover, as you correctly said, Simran, at the beginning of the half of the year. So, which is fantastic. Ashok, you probably know me for 2 or a little more decades. They have seen my journey as I shifted from Pune and I started working in Hindi films. Before working in Hindi, I worked in, Hindi mainstream. I worked in my mother tongue, Marathi. Before working in Marathi, I worked in Tamil. I learned Tamil. And before starting to work in Hindi, I worked in Italian as well. Wow. So it was fun to start a journey which was absolutely unpredictable and which was filled with dreams and unknown dreams. I didn't know what exactly I wanted to do. As an actor, till date, I don't know what exactly I want to do apart from giving a fabulous performance every day, because till the time you become a director or a producer, you can only perform better and better.
It's a huge honor to be a part of this prestigious platform and sharing the dais with Sonali and Ashok ji. Thank you, Ashok ji. And it's really commendable to the entire team of Society, Ashok ji and his team, for creating a property that is so relevant, which has been relevant across different eras, right from Stardust to Society Interiors. I think it's very difficult for a magazine to stay relevant and trending in an age of social media, but you have kept the hard copy as relevant as the digital text, and that's purely because of your passion and the content. So guys, please grab your copy of Society Interiors ASAP.